Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to give you an update on SEI, a coin that I've been looking at recently, and I've been basically buying up continuously because I think that this has got huge potential coming into this lovely alt season here for cryptocurrency. Now, as you can see, we are going to be breaking this down from a fundamental perspective and also a technical analysis perspective to give you guys sort of areas or potential buying areas, and then also some price predictions for the future for this asset. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, notification bell on, and drop a little like on the video if you could. Just hit that like, it's absolutely free. Okay, so starting off with SEI, we're going to be starting off on CMC and looking at the general market cap and general market behaviors for this asset. Okay, so as you can see here, $1.6 billion worth of market cap right now. It's 53rd in terms of the ranked race to the top here. Out of 9,818 active cryptocurrencies that are listed on CMC. And you can see the volume. This is what's super interesting, guys. The volume is actually, it's up 153% over the last day, which is unbelievable. And it's actually 18th, ranked 18th out of all cryptocurrencies out there, which basically shows that it's performing, I guess, more than 29 or 39 of the highest cryptocurrencies that are actually ranked higher than it in terms of market cap, which shows a very bullish sign from a volume perspective, guys. So definitely take note of that. And let's jump over to the website and look at the actual utility of this coin as to why it is exploding so much, right? So yeah, let's jump to the website here and let's have a little look. So accelerating the future, the fastest parallel blockchain. It's a bit of a big claim there. Pushing the boundaries of Bitcoin technology through open source development, SEI stands to unlock a brand new design space for consumer-facing applications. Okay, so interesting. Time to finality, 380 ms. Okay, and transactions per second, 12,500. Absolutely insane there. That's a serious amount of transactions per second. And current transactions that have been completed is 1.2 billion, which 12,500 transactions per second, that's not actually too many, I'd say. So this is a relatively newer blockchain out there, but it is technically the fastest parallel blockchain for projects to be built on right now. Okay, and you can see we are seeing some recognition across the board from other projects. Multicoin Capital, we've got Jump, we've got Pyth, and we've got, of course, Coinbase Ventures as well that do look like they're backing it from a VC perspective. And Delphi Digital. Guys, no, I'm not the best reader in the world. Defining high-speed blockchain technology, and a very, very nice site in general. I'm going to leave the link to the site down below for you guys to check out. But without further ado, let's get over to the chart and let's look at how this asset has been trading and how it's been behaving throughout, well, since launch, essentially, right? So let's jump straight to the launch here. And the launch happened back in on Binance back in August 2023. Now, from that, we did see a bit of a sell-off, okay? So this indicates that there was sort of a seed round, a pre-sale potentially, and then the price sort of curls off from there. The floor was found at around 9 cents, and then from there, it sort of just started to propel to the goddamn moon here. Very, very nice to see. Lovely, lovely chart, having nice significant pullbacks all the way up. It is not quite a Mount Everest climb. It is a base camp 1, 2, and 3. Very nice to see. And from there, we did see a nice consolidation range here between $1.02 down to around 58 cents. So quite a big range actually before the inevitable March crash that we did see this year. And from there, it has been trending down quite aggressively. Now, the reason why this has caught my eye is because it performs really, really interesting. And when it pumps, it really does moon, guys. It moons like 10, 20% sometimes. And you can see the breakout scenario here that we have been trading here, up around 59% from that point. And just overall, if we're looking at general market structure, the macro market structure right now, you can see we're going to be basing it on this downtrend, okay? So this downtrend is going to be happening like so. You've got your low, you've got your lower high, you've got your new low, you've got your new low, you've got your lower high, you've got your new low. So this would be the most recent lower high of that downtrend, okay? Because it's the most recent pullback after breaking that market structure low. So what does that tell us? It tells us that this point here is the pinnacle trend reversal point, which is 41 cents. We've just exploded over that without even testing it, guys. Super, super interesting to see how aggressive that has been in terms of getting over that price without any sort of hesitation. It's been super, super bullish in terms of momentum there, even while testing the 12-hour volume-weighted ATR band, right? So SEI right now is looking really, really nice. In terms of a buying area, I probably would wait for a bit of a pullback here because, again, this is a parabolic motion. This has not happened over the course of one day. This has been basically exploding near enough a 2x here over the last sort of, since the 18th of September. So, 12 days ago, we have seen quite a lot of bullish momentum, right? So a pullback is not out of the question here. And when that pullback does happen, there's a lovely, lovely buying area to be put in there. That's the sort of what I would be looking out for there. We might come down a bit lower if crypto tends to pull back. But at the moment, with the alt season happening, with all this bullish momentum, with the market structure changing direction here, I'm super bullish on this, guys. I think this asset is going to absolutely explode. And say if we were to get in now and just trade it to the all-time high, it is actually going to be quite a clean move. Okay, it's going to be literally 148% on our investment. And let's just jump over to the all-time high for SEI over